Welcome to the Paper Volcano Laboratory. Today we explore how to realize your paper volcano. Are you ready? To start, you need some sheets of origami paper, which are colored on one side and white on the other one. And you can use also some marker. Now choose a piece of paper, the color that you prefer, and place your sheet of paper in front of you, with the white side facing up. Now fold it in half diagonally by pulling the right up corner to join down the left one and flatten it. You'll get a triangle. Unfold and repeat, folding the upper left corner over the right down and flatten. Open your sheet of paper. Grab the right and the left side of the paper. You might need some help for this stage, and press that down. Pull one of the right flap, just one, and fold it towards the left side and press. You should have a little pocket. Now pull one of the left flap only and insert it inside the pocket and press it. You need to press the paper very hard during the various stages. Now flip it over the other side and repeat. Pull the right flap up, fold toward the left side, press, pull one left flap left and insert it in the pocket. And press hard. Now start to open your volcano gently from the center of the crater. Use your fingers to flatten the volcano base. If you need, ask for some help at this stage. And that's it. You can personalize your volcano by using some markers to draw the magma within the volcano chamber, for instance. Or you can draw a lava flow alongside the volcanoes. You can be more creative by taking a piece of paper and shape the paper to look like an explosive eruption. Or to make the lava flow looking like in the case of an effusive eruption. But do you know what is a volcano? Here, the infographic to help you to familiarize with the volcano words. Did you know that the Paper Volcano Laboratory is a fast-growing community? Join us to discover all the new events. Visit our site at the link showed here below. We wait for you. Thank you!